Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax. Today I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of the 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX that we just got in. Guys, it's a beautiful boat here at MarineMax in Greenville. It's got the white hull with the black accent stripe. Comes with this dual axle trailer. Nice big swim platform on the back. It does have the submersible swim platform. This is powered with the Mercruiser 6.2 liter 350 with the Bravo 3 outdrive. Has a submersible swim platform. Let's take a look at the inside. Guys, taking a look at the bow, you'll see you've got plenty of wraparound seating with drop-down armrest, cup holders up in the front to accommodate your drinks for the daytime. As you walk back towards the cockpit, you'll see wraparound seating, side-by-side captain's chairs, both labeled with bolsters. You also have a nice head on board. Helps for extended stays on the water. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that this boat is upgraded with the dual SIMRAD screens for all your navigation, engine performance specs, wind code trim tabs, and the rest of your instrumentation with digital throttles. Guys, beautiful boat here at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you for viewing and have a great day.